What's over there? Avalanche.
Hey, track.
That body is sick. Yeah, what a hell of a way to break it in, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is awesome. What a great find. Good job. I'm gonna pin this on my Google Maps. Oh, I gotta get more speed in for that one. There we go. Oh! Made a dirt cloud. I don't want to destroy your body. Yes. Yep. I got that too. Yeah, you gave it a good love tap on the roof.
Yeah, I'm scratching the crap out of it already.
Oh, that was sick. Oh. Nope. That body's already wrecked. There we go. Oh no! Something flew off. Something shiny.
It's a heavy piece of...
Yeah, bro. That's alright.
That thing's still recording?
Yeah. Oh man. I would've got scared too. I had to learn control on the jumps. That's my weakness right now. Nice. Oh. I can barely control this one. Oh, is that a rock? body.
Did?
The back looks like jaws took a bite out of it from yeah, when they're in the boat and it bit the back end off.
Oh my god.
There's a shark over that hill.
Oh,
Yeah, watch out for the shark.
no. Oh.
Oh, that's what that body's good for. Look at this. This is amazing.
No. I wonder, like, if we even walk further. I don't know like, how much other stuff in other corners, you know?
Yeah. This is really big field. Hilarious. Yeah, I bent it back. No more tire strain. Oh!
I was going full.
I heard.
Violet, where you going? Violet. Violet. Probably not gonna be able to stay here for much longer. Violet.
Jeez Louise. Gosh darn it, this poor thing. So much for that internal LED light I installed. It's flopping around in there. That LED light inside's bouncing around. That circle one I put in there?
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Your battery died, you said?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that thing is dangling, man.
Yeah, right? I'm surprised your battery died. Mine didn't.
No, well, because, like I said, it was partially used.
Oh, that's right. I was saying, that one usually outlasts mine.
Hi, bye. We're gonna go now. Well, you alright with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Don't worry. It's all good. Oh,
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was dangling.
we did enough damage today. I guess I'll fix this later.
Whatever batteries were in there came out too, or no?
No. Oh, well, the battery pack is still in there for it. So is the
Okay.
bottom case. It's cracked. I'm sure it still works if I get the remote, but whatever. More shit to fix. That's today, folks. We'll be back.
Don't have to take this abuse much longer.